In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use today function in Excel. We're going to walk through a very simple way to display the current date in a worksheet using Excel's built-in today function. This is a useful feature when you want a date that updates automatically. So instead of typing the date manually every day, Excel can do it for you. To begin, open the Excel workbook where you want to show today's date. This can be a new workbook or an existing one, depending on where you need the date to appear. Once the workbook is open, go to the worksheet you want to work on. Next, let's prepare the sheet so the result is clearly labeled. Click on cell A1 and type today's date. This creates a heading, which makes your worksheet easier to read and helps identify what the value in the next cell represents. Adding labels like this is a good habit, especially if you're sharing the file with someone else or using it later yourself. Now click on cell A2. This is where you'll enter the formula. Type an equal sign, then type today, followed by an opening parenthesis and a closing parenthesis. The full formula should look like this: equals today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Once you've entered it, press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you press enter, Excel will return today's date in that cell. That means the formula is working correctly. One helpful thing to know is that the today function does not require any information inside the parentheses. You simply leave them empty and Excel automatically inserts the current date based on your system settings. If the result looks different from what you expected, keep in mind that Excel may display the date in a format such as month, day, and year, or day, month, and year, depending on your regional settings or workbook formatting. Even if the format varies, the function is still giving you today's date. This function is especially helpful in trackers, reports, attendance sheets, dashboards, and any document where you want the date to stay current without manual updates. It's quick, reliable, and easy to use, and that's it. You've successfully used the today function in Excel to display the current date automatically.